Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story not showing. So in this problem, first of all, go back, go to your Play Store and update your Instagram from here if it's available here. So I've already did this and go back when you are done. Then go for settings. Click on apps and notification. Go for Instagram and you can go for force stop here and go for clear storage and clear cache. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.